Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to verify an original and a fake TCL TV. So if you're planning to go to the market to get a TCL TV for yourself, then you want to make sure you watch this video to the end so that you do not get scammed by one of these retailers out there and end up buying a TV that is not even from TCL and even being charged for the same price as the original TCL TV. As someone that has been working with smart TVs for over a year now, trust me, there are actually lots of fake TVs out there, and if you do not have the right information, there is probably no way you will be able to differentiate a fake TCL TV from the original one. And that is particularly why I am making this video. Now quickly, without wasting much of your time, one of the easiest ways to identify a fake TCL TV and an original TCL TV is the operating system of the TV. Now currently, TCL as a brand does not have their own operating system. So basically, they are using the Android operating system and the Google operating system. And in some foreign countries, you're going to see the TCL Roku TV as well. So basically, if you're getting any TV that is not the TCL Android TV or the TCL Google TV, or in some regions the TCL Roku TV, then trust me, you're actually getting a fake TCL TV. These three operating systems I have just mentioned are currently the only operating system that you would find on a TCL TV. And so any TCL TV that is sold to you and it comes with some weird operating system that you actually do not know whether it's an Android or a Google TV or a Roku TV, then trust me, that TV might actually be a fake TCL TV, and I strongly advise that you do not get it. Now, aside from the operating system, another easy way to identify or verify an original TCL TV and a fake TCL TV is basically on the model number. Now, on the packaging or cartons of most of these TCL TV, there is usually a model number, and you always want to make sure that the model number on your TCL TV is also the same as the model number on the about page of the TV. So after looking carefully at the packaging box of your TCL TV, you want to confirm the model number there, and then also go over to the about page of your TCL TV, and you always want to make sure that it actually corresponds with what you find on the packaging carton of your TCL TV. If the model number is not exactly the same, then trust me, you might actually be getting a fake TCL TV. Another easy way to identify a fake TCL TV and an original TCL TV is the fact that in most TCL Android and TCL Google TVs, you're going to find TCL specific applications. So for instance, you might be able to find like the TCL channels that allows you to be able to watch channels specifically from TCL as a brand. But in most of these fake TVs, you're not going to find applications like that. You will also not be able to find the option that allows you to create a TCL account on your TCL TV in most of these fake TCL TVs. Moving further, another way to actually identify a fake TCL TV and an original TCL TV is the dimensions of the TV. Now, majority of the time, most of these fake manufacturers don't actually give you the exact dimension you ask for from a TV. So they might actually reduce the dimensions just to be able to cut costs and also maximize profit. So if you want to make sure you're actually getting an original TCL TV, you want to go ahead and measure the dimensions of your TCL TV and also be sure that it actually corresponds with what you're actually buying and what is also written on the carton of the TV. Now, adding to all of this, one of the easiest ways to make sure you're actually getting an original TCL TV and not a fake TCL TV is to make sure that you're buying from a trusted and recognized TCL distributor or retailer. TCL as a brand actually has verified distributors all over the world, and if you want to get a TCL TV, it is usually recommended you get from a certified and recognized TCL distributor. In some cases, I usually recommend you copy the model number of your TCL TV, go over to the Instagram page of the TCL brand on your country, and then just send it to them to confirm if TCL as a brand actually sell that model of TV. Because sometimes, again, these fake manufacturers will go up until the point of even faking model numbers and then inserting them on your TV. Now, with that being said, these are actually the basic and easiest way to verify if your TCL TV is original or fake. I hope this was actually helpful and useful to you. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.